I'm here to make a clarification on an information or some rumors going around that through social media that as police we arrested a suspect of defilement and we did not arraign him before court. The true position is that because I know you have right of information, is that on 20th this month 2024 we received a report, an incident report of defilement within Magena area, that is in Mache sub-county in Bomachoke Borab constituency, that one juvenile girl aged about 5 years was defiled by one person, namely Mark, who came aged about 30 years. So within the same day we managed to arrest the suspect. We was put in our custody, and while in our custody the suspect developed some dizziness and he fell down. So we rushed him to the nearby Ogembo sub-county hospital, whereby he was treated and later referred to KTRH for further treatment. He was admitted there, and later he was discharged, and we managed to arraign him before Ogembo Senior Principal Magistrate Court on 23rd this month. So he was charges were read. That's defilement contrary to section 181 of the Sexual Offences Act of 2006, and second count of indecent acts with a child contrary to section 11 of the Sexual Offences Act of 2006. The suspect pleaded not guilty, and he was remanded before Kisii prisons on 24th, that is yesterday. So the suspect admission will take place on 6th next month, and the hearing will start on 8th March this year. So that's what I wanted to clear, make it clear, so that the all manner of speculations that we hear from WhatsApp, social media is not correct. That's now the correct position of that matter. As National Police Service, we remain committed, professional in the performance of our duty. So cases of sexual offences, all manner of cases, we don't take it for granted. We take it very seriously, and we are committed to that. It's a case that was you heard it from that function. That's the correct position of that case. Nobody was threatened, and we cannot be threatened. We perform our duties without any fear, intimidation of any kind. Nobody